Okay, now we are about to begin the hands-on exercise. So I'm going to be performing this from the Cisco Packet Tracer. In this network I've got a desktop PC, a switch, and a server. Now this is a normal kind of a line topology. It can also be set up as a bus topology type of situation. So here I've got a standard server. So in this server, supposedly I can set up a certain service. Let's say for instance this had a FTP connection, or I can set up a telnet connection there. If I set up a telnet connection, then I can have that. So for this I'm going to set up an FTP server. Suppose I can call the logins that. So now it's turned on, and we add that read, alright, delete, rename, list, add. So in this FTP server, these are the users that are able to log in. This Cisco with the password Cisco, and this admin with the password admin. So now this is from the server end. So once I go to the PC, I can run it from the terminal. Now this is what you do from your desktop. So from the terminal, I suppose maybe I want to use this terminal. So from your terminal or your command prompt, you're using the syntax FTP, and then as your argument you're going to write in your destination host name or the IP address of the host. So I've already checked the IP address of the server. The IP address of the server is 192.168.42.10. so once I have that, then they're trying to connect to the host server, and then we have the welcome banner right there. Now it is prompting me to enter a username, so for that I can enter in admin, and for the password I can enter in admin as well, and then passive mode on. So now I believe it has been logged in. So to confirm that it has been logged in, you should be able to list files that are within your directory like that using dir, and then from there you can see that you've got the files that are within the server. And if you go in the Cisco Packet Tracer, if you go there, you should find some files that are within it right there. And I can go to, I believe I'm in the FTP there, and here's all the files that are in there. And from the desktop I was able to see these files right there. Now if I want to download a certain file, I can use the command get. Now suppose I want that file, I can say get ASA. Now of course copying it bit by bit will take a while, so I can just copy that, get, paste that in, and then it will transfer it into that PC from the server. So now right now all I just did was download a file from the server using the file transfer protocol. So this should take a while to download, because I mean it's a large file. So if I do want to terminate this while it's still in progress, I can use the Control-C command, and then you should be able to terminate it. But I don't think I would want to do that, so that will take a while. And once you're done, you can use the exclamation mark to exit, and that is how you use the file transfer protocol. And I've done this from the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now of course the operations are exactly the same when you do it from Windows, and also when you do it from a Linux machine.